Bye-bye, La Paz. It begins. Here we go. Just fueled up. 172.6 liters of fuel. 4,000 pesos for those of you interested. But this is it. We're leaving the marina. The dock lines are in. They're going into storage, and we are starting our journey. What do you think? It's happening.
Bye-bye, La Paz. No dock lines. Only anchor. No more concrete jungle.
What do you guys think? Are you down with it? Tessie's like, oh yeah, this is great. Before we head out across the sea, we scheduled some chill time with our friends Beth and Damien. Also, it's Halloween and Bella's birthday. Another reason we really love this anchorage, this snorkeling is amazing. We can snorkel right out of the back of the boat, or we can jump in the dinghy, and just a short distance away there's 4 or 5 or 6 different spots where we can have world-class snorkeling. One of the things on Tami's bucket list is to see a blue-footed booby. As luck would have it, there's a rock not too far away from the anchorage. Turns out, it's covered with blue-footed boobies. It's Halloween tonight, and also Bella's birthday. Everybody got dressed up to celebrate the event.